Hello friends, my name is Rodia and today we are going to learn how to improve a HTML website. So make sure you watch my how to create a website in HTML tutorial. So now this is how our website looks. But we'll see that if we click on any of these, then nothing will happen. So for this we need different pages. So this is going to be my first page. So to turn it into a link, we go to our HTML file and then we'll press Ctrl X to crop this channel part. So now I'm going to write A, and that's going to show this ref thing. So now we'll have to copy our link. And then we will paste it in our A ref. So now when we save it and reload the browser, we'll see that this one is gone. So to get it back, we'll have to write our text. Now we'll save it and reload the browser. Now we'll see that there's an underline under the channel one. And if we press it, it's going to go to the link I added in it. So for the other pages, we're going to create 3 more new files. So you can just copy. And paste web.html 2 times. And then you have to name it home. And about. So now we'll go to web. Now we're going to go to our home place. So now we're going to go to our about place, and after that we are going to change this H1 to about page. And then you can change this text. So now we are going to go to web.html, and then we will change this about to an A again. Then we'll change the ref to about.html, and now we're going to write about here. So now we'll save it and reload the browser. Now if we click on about, it's going to say about page, and this text is going to change. But now we will not be able to go back to home. So to fix that problem, we're going to go to about.html, and then in the HTML we're going to change the home part to an href again. Then we're going to link it to web.html. Now we're going to write home. So now reload the about page, and then if we click on home, then it's going to go back to home. So now we're going to rename this home.html. To contact.html. So now here we are going to write contact page. And now we can write another thing here. So now I will save it. So now I'm going to save it, and then write A here. Then I'll set this A to web.html, and I'm going to write home. And now in this about one, I'm going to write A, and in the href I'm going to write about.html. Then I'll change it to about again.
Also says to continue recording tomorrow.
So now in our web.html, we will remove the contact text, and then we are going to change it to a href again, and then we're going to write contact.html here. And now we're going to write contact. So now we're going to go to about.html. Now we'll remove the contacts there too, and after that we'll write a ref, which is linked to contact.html. And now we're going to write contact. So now you have to save all of them and reload your browser. Now if we click on contact, then it's going to go to the contact page, and then we'll be able to click on all of the other pages. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell.